Hello everyone. In this episode, we'll deal with the interfacing of an LCD display with 8051. LCD displays are basically a very essential part of any embedded system or project in order to read various parameters which are being measured or monitored by the microcontroller or embedded system. We will be using the LM016L or Hitachi's HD44780 LCD display. We will be using the single controller 14-pin display. The first 8 lines are the data lines, where the 8 bits of either the command byte or data byte will be placed to be sent to the display. The enable signal is a pulse which has to go from high to low in order to latch the data on to either the command register or data register. The pulse must be at least a duration of 450 nanoseconds. The read-write signal is used to tell the LCD whether the data on the data lines is to be read from the LCD or written to the LCD display. If the read-write signal is 1, then data is read from the LCD display. If read-write signal is 0, then the data is written to the LCD display. The RS signal is the register select signal, where either the data register or command register is selected in the LCD display. If RS is 1, data register is selected and the data is sent to the data register. If RS is 0, command register is selected and data is sent to the command register. Contrast, or more appropriately put, the contrast ratio of a liquid crystal display is the ratio of the light area of a display to the dark area. When an LCD is used in a product, an allowance must be made to adjust the LCD bias voltage. But in our experiment here, we can just leave it unused. VSS is connected to ground and VDD is connected to plus 5 volts. We'll divide the assembly program into 6 modules and learn each module separately and then integrate them to form a complete program. There are 6 parts to the program. The first part is optional but makes the program more readable and easier to follow. The RS signal will be sent on port 2 pin 6, so we rename P2.6 as RS and use RS in the remaining part of the program in place of P2.6. Similarly, P2.7 connected to enable signal on LCD. The 8 bits of port 3 are connected to the data lines of the LCD, so it is defined as data, while RS and E are defined as bit because only one pin is used. 38H is sent on data lines to LCD to initialize 2 lines and 5 by 7 dot matrix of LCD. 0F sets cursor on and blinking. 06H increments cursor position in between these commands. A routine is called to send these lines to the command register in the LCD. The data string is stored in memory location 0100H. The data is sent to port 3 one by one, and after every character the data display routine called PRNT is called. The CMND routine first resets RS to 0, which is selecting the command register on the LCD display. The data on port 3 goes to command register. Enable pin is set and after a delay it is cleared, so the data is latched to the command register. The PRNT routine first sets RS to 1, which is selecting the data register on the LCD display. The LCD will now know that the data on port 3 is meant to be displayed. As before, enable pin is set and after a delay it is cleared, so the data is latched to the data register. The delay routine is called between write operations and creates a delay of about 70.5 milliseconds. Over to Keel and Proteus.